Paddling out into the water, I'm grateful for the beauty of nature. Days like this helps me focus on what's right in front of me. Before heading out, I prepare for the weather, pack my life vest, and tuck my phone into the waterproof bag just in case. At Northern Insuring, we help you prepare for the unexpected. We make it easy to plan for what's around the corner. We simplify the process and make sure you have exactly what you need, so you can enjoy your life knowing you're covered. Northern Insuring Agency, helping you live your life protected since 1930.